Good morning, everybody. We're going to go bright and early today because I have some obligations, usually during my filming time. So, good morning, and let's do fruits versus vegetable. I'm Starla Ewan from Starla's Creative Teaching Tips, and so we want to do this fun little pocket lesson number 5 with you. All right, so first of all, if you want to make a list, do this list with me. White potato, fruit or a vegetable? Okay. How about a sweet potato? You don't have one on hand. Okay. Squash. How about green beans? A carrot. All right. If you have to pause me to make your list, go ahead. Okay. How about cucumber? Fruit or vegetable? Celery. And tomato. Okay, now let's explain really quick kind of the rules of this game. First of all, in order to be a vegetable, it's a vegetative part of the plant. Okay, so let's take a look at this little drawing I made. So here's the roots, here's the stem, here is what is called the stalk or petiole, and here is the leaf. These are the vegetative parts of the plant. In other words, they're responsible for gathering food and nutrients, carrying them up to the leaves. That would be like minerals and water. And we're going to talk about later on how that happens. It's so cool. The leaves, of course, make food, and they supply it food for themselves, and then it's carried down the plant. And so those are vegetative part of plants. Now, what makes a fruit? Well, let's look. Remember the flower we've talked about? This is the reproductive part of the flower. Now, what I colored in yellow is the female part called the pistil. All right? It's in 3 parts. This right here is called the sticky stigma. Okay, now your textbook won't say sticky, but that's what it is. It's sticky so that pollen will stick to it. Okay? Now, pollen is plant sperm. And each little pollen grain has 2 sperm in it. Okay? One sperm will get to fertilize the egg. The other sperm is going to make the food for the little plant that we showed you last time. Okay? Now, a sperm has half the number of DNA ladders of the parent plant, and the egg located down here has half of the other DNA from the female part of the plant. Cool? You put 2 halves together, you get a brand new baby plant. All right, so here it goes. You ready? This is the pistil. Here's the sticky stigma. And these can come in all kinds of shapes. All right? This is the style. It's like a neck. All right? Sometimes they're real short, sometimes they're real long. And this is the ovary. And inside the ovary are eggs. Okay, now I want to show you something. Do you notice that there are 8 eggs? Yeah, because this is a dicot. Dicot flowers come in multiples of 4s and 5s, all right? Monocots are in multiples of 3s. It's easy, okay? So the minute we look at that, dicot. Okay, so everybody see the eggs? All right, great. These are the male part. You can remember because stamen, S-T-A-M-E-N, M-E-N for men, stamen. It's the male part. These right here make pollen. Now, they don't really come off unless they're a wind pollinator. Now, if they need a pollinator that's like a beetle or a bee, they're going to stay on there until that beetle or that insect crawls in there and they tap all over that little body, and then the bee goes somewhere else to another plant. Now, remember our gill over the ground? Pollen from gill over the ground will only fertilize the eggs of gill over the ground on another plant. Cool? Okay? So they have to be the same type of plant. All right, everybody good? Okay, now you ready? When the pollen lands on the stigma, it burrows down here. The 2 sperm go down a little tube to our ovary. 1 sperm fertilizes the egg. Woo, brand new baby plant. Yay! And the other sperm becomes the food. And that becomes a seed. So this ovary will have 8 seeds. And this becomes the fruit. So a fruit is an ovary with seeds. Cool, huh? All right, now, the job of this fruit is to get the seeds, the baby plants, away from the parent plant so the parent plant doesn't have to share soil and water and minerals with it. They have all kinds of tricks. Okay, so here we go. Now you know the rules. Ovary with seeds makes a fruit. If it's the vegetative part of the plant, it's a vegetable. All right, let's go back through our list. May not do them in order, but here we go. White potato. What you think? This is a vegetable. And it's going to surprise you, but this is actually a stem. Yeah, it's a modified stem. This stem grows along underneath the ground. Yeah, it's a stem. Sweet potato, root. So they are vegetables. Cool, huh? All right, let's do this guy. What do you think? Squash? Zucchini? All right, let's find out. Let me cut him. Oh, he's a fruit. Look at that. You see it? Those are seeds in there. So an ovary with seeds is a fruit. So zucchini and squash are fruits. Yeah. Okay, ready? Cucumber. What do you think? Fruit. There they are. Look at those seeds. Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay. Carrot. It's a root. That's right. There's no seeds inside this. Okay? All right, here we go. This, oh yeah, you got this one. This is easy. You're right, it's a vegetable. This is actually a stalk, and it holds the leaves up. So this is a vegetable. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here's the next one. Green beans. Wait. Look. Oh, what do we see coming out of there? A seed. Green beans are a fruit. How crazy is that? I know. Now, my family and consumer science people, I love you. You're wonderful. But remember, this is the structure and function of plants. So this is the biology of plants. These guys are not vegetables. They're fruit. Okay? All right. Easy, right? What is that? Let's look. Let's see. Tomato. Let's look. Look at that. Seeds. It's a fruit. Tomatoes are fruit. What do you think about an avocado? You're right, it's a fruit, because what does it have inside it? A seed. It's an ovary with seeds. Okay, here's another one. Now think about this. A watermelon. They're huge, right? That's an ovary, a big ovary with seeds in it. It's a fruit. Pumpkins. Wow, now that's an ovary. Holy moly, that's an ovary, right? All right, so now when you go to the grocery store, remember, if it has seeds inside it, it's a fruit. If it doesn't, if it's a root, a stem, a stalk, or a leaf, it's a vegetable. All right? Now, how about a sticker? You know those stickers that get in your socks? Those are fruits. Yeah, inside there are seeds. And their job, instead of having animals eat the seeds and disperse them out, like birds are great at doing, they hook onto your sock and then you carry them away from the parent plant. Same thing with goat heads, all right? Isn't that awesome? All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing a new part of your world. You have a fantastic day. Be kind, make a super positive difference in the world. Love you guys. I'll see you on Tuesday. We're going to finish up talking about the arms and legs. Have an awesome day.